Hi everyone, today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to be testing out the Gourmetific cookware set and let's see how it turns up from the stovetop to the oven. I'm going to be making a vegetarian enchilada skillet and let's see how it turns out. Come on, let's cook this.
First impression, these are incredibly sleek. The detachable handle system is the star here. It clicks on with a really satisfying secure thud but pops off instantly. And I love the way the entire set nests together. It takes up 70% less space than the old pans with fixed handles. Let's get cooking. I'm starting with a little oil and cumin seeds. Once they sizzle, in goes the onions, peppers, zucchini, serrano peppers, potatoes, and garlic. I'm using the stovetop to get a head start on the browning. The non-stick coating is so smooth, I'm barely using any oil and the veggies are just gliding across the surface. Now we add our heartier ingredients, some salt, black beans, my soaked Spanish rice, and the taco seasoning. It all goes in the same pan. This is where most cookware fails. Rice loves to stick at the bottom, but with this coating, I'm not worried. We are now adding the enchilada sauce and the water and covering until the rice is 75% done. One thing I noticed immediately is the heat distribution. Usually the edges of my pans stay cool while the center scorches, but the Gourmetific base heats edge to edge. Everything is softening perfectly. Now check this out. As I'm stirring the beans and rice together, I am so glad that nothing is sticking to the bottom. The Gourmetific coating is doing all the work for me. I can feel the spatula hitting the bottom of the pan and it's just smooth glass. This gives me so much confidence that the rice is going to be perfectly cooking without a messy cleanup later. Before we hit the oven, we are adding a secret weapon for the roasted texture. I'm topping up with a layer of crunchy tortilla chips and a heavy sprinkle of cheese. By leaving this uncovered, those chips are going to stay crisp and the cheese is going to be golden. This is my favorite part. Now the pan isn't just a skillet anymore, it's a premium baker. It goes straight into the oven for 400 Fahrenheit, no handles sticking out, no awkward maneuvering, and most importantly, no extra dishes to wash later. Look at the result. The cheese is perfectly melted and slightly toasted on the edges. And look at the bottom of the pan as I scoop this out. The rice didn't stick at all. If you're looking for a set that actually makes cooking and cleaning faster while saving you a ton of space, I highly recommend the Gourmetific cookware set. It's a stovetop to oven perfection.